Hey, hey, I'm back at Candyland, the fireworks Superstore, Hannibal, Missouri. This is it's probably going to be some 500 grams going on. I'll get over to artillery and everything too. I'm going to get a bunch of videos because they just restocked a bunch. So I'm just going to try to, I don't know, do a couple part videos and then maybe roll into maybe a few longer videos. If you guys want to do something like that, that's fine too. But yeah, I mean, we got Wacky Tobackies here for 80 bucks. The Brothers Stars collection. I believe there's a pack out there to where you can get all four in one, but they have them all in $40 a piece. You got Wind Chill by Brothers, $31.99. You got Sweet Spot by Brothers, $34.99. Got Cool Company, 40 bucks. Combat Zone, 100 bucks, 210 shots. You got Hooligan, $25.99. Marilyn Monroe, $30. 37 shots, Amped, $43.99. Acid Rain, 50 bucks. You got Wicked Cool, $54.99. Shotgun Wedding, 50 bucks. Over here, Funky Cocoa, $36.99, 25 shots by Black Scorpion. Phantom Brand, $40 for Phenomena, 26 shots. Got Blonde Joke, 40 bucks. Smoke Show, $45.99. Got High Output, $33.99, 14 shots. Trendy Tattoos, 40 bucks, 12 shots. On our way down here, Geiger Gorgeous, $43.99, 38 shots. Hella Sweet, 40 bucks, 16 shots, 32 breaks. Bloody Soul by Do Re Mi, 42 shots. The one missing is the one I got. That'll be on the channel soon. I saw a video of it and I have to do a video myself. I gotta see it for myself. I've watched it too many times. It's gotta be on the channel. He's got plenty of them too. So if I like it, I'll be back. Angry Angel, I'm getting this one too. It's $34.99. I didn't even say a damn price. $42.99. I'm sorry. $34.99 Angry Angel, 25 shots. Do Re Mi. Gossip Maker, Do Re Mi. 30 bucks, 20 shots. Sweetie Club, $31.99. Do Re Mi, 30 shots. Whole bunch of them. Lost Light, Do Re Mi. Got another one of these. It's $29.99 for 25 shots. Crazy Joker, Do Re Mi. Shot it. It was actually very nice. I liked that one. 42 shots. It is $35.99. Royal Boom, Do Re Mi, 30 bucks, 12 shots. Got Golden Throne by Do Re Mi, 36 shots, $35.99. Do a quick wrap around here. Might as well get these while I'm here. USA Conqueror by Winda, it's 129. Amazing Ballet by Winda, 220 shots, 100 bucks. Sky Ballet, 70 bucks. Neon Sky Candy by Big, it's 90 bucks. Just kind of like your itty bitty, I mean, it's basically zipper Roman candles with like probably a couple breaks at the end. Roll right over here. Crocodile Hunter, Pyro Predator, 100 bucks. Suicide Squad over there, a Cutting Edge, $34.99. United States by World Class. That is a price that's on the other side, because it's on the other side. These are all on the other side. Shoot on down here. Red Woma. $29.99, 25 shots by Black Scorpion or Chili. Raging Red, 25 shots, 30 bucks. Go Maniac, 27 shots, $31.99. Got Neon City, 36 shots, $36.99. What we got here? Willow Box, 28 shots, 30 bucks. Rebellious Desire, 36 shots, 30 bucks. We got Loaded Cannon, $33.99, 36 shots. We got Terminator, 25 shots, 30 bucks. And that was that row. Oh gosh, we got a long ways to go. But that'll be part one. Start on this one, get part two rolling, part three, part whatever. Probably do some longer videos at the end so that way you guys aren't just getting bored after part 17 comes out. But yeah, we'll keep rolling here and we'll see you in the next one.